Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And this is a product demonstration. I purchased this product called iPop, and it's a power handle. Now you can use this power handle on any of the cars, and which has a power steering in it. Um, this product is basically I got it like for around 200 bucks or something. But the quality, the first hand look at the quality is not really good. So that's what my first opinion about this. So I just took it off from this box which it came in, and this is what I got. The one thing I don't like about this is it's pretty cheap, and it's probably because of that I'm getting this feeling, but this looks pretty much plastic and nothing here is solid. So I can see that it's kind of shaky all over, even though I hold it tight close, it's kind of a little bit shaky. So I'm really not that happy with this product. But let's get this done. Let's get this fixed. The first thing you want to do is like you want to remove this particular the nut over here, which is holding the whole thing. So just remove it closely. Yeah, so it's done. So just keep it away. So the next thing that you're gonna see is like you have the lock over here, which is gonna fit right inside here, like this, and it's gonna give you the power handle will be holded with this. And you have the screw type here, which is actually the power handle. So what I don't like about this is like it's kind of shaky over here. You can see what I'm saying. So there is no way of tightening this up because it's really shaky over here. But then yeah, you have to compromise something when you want to compromise the price. Um, let's fix this. And you get this rubber kind of thing inside. So just hold it. If you're using steering cover, you don't have to really go with this because it's gonna be a bit bigger, and it's not gonna fit in the hole over here. So it's better not to use this if you have a steering cover. So let's put that away. So the first thing I'm going to do is like you can remove these two things. The first thing is like put the bottom one on the bottom and put it inside the wheel cover if you have one. So just put it inside tight and close, and just keep it closed. And on the other side you have this knob over there which you can put it inside and fix it. So keep it closely, keep it a little tight, and you can see that I've not locked it inside. Now you can see that this much gap I'm getting. Reverse this. So now we can do this. Even we can make it a little more right. Like that. So that my hand becomes, yeah, this way it is good, so I can hold my hand over here. There's a reason for me to put the power handle on this side of my wheel, because I can use my right hand to control the wheel using the power handle, and I can use my left hand for the gearbox. So that's why I put it over there. So I'm just gonna put this across as well. So now you can see that it's nice and tight. Now we're gonna put this over here. Just gonna keep it this way, and I'm gonna take this nut. I'm just gonna screw it all around. There you go. It's very essential that you put it across very tight, because this is something we're gonna be depending on. So just put it on nice and easy over here. It's a little tight, so I'm just pressing it hard and I'm just screwing it up. Yeah, it's hard enough. So there you go. So it's fixed now. So let me just try to start and bring a bit more on, because see that nice. This is where it really is. This is where I like it to be. Just move it one of my hand on the right. This is kind of easy when you are driving for a long journey, rather than holding it all over here or here. You can still hold it. It's not that you cannot. But then you have this nice option over here which you can hold and turn over here. So, a quick demonstration video, and that's what I